My name's Jamila Monahan, and I'm the instructional coach and grade 3 teacher at Birchview Elementary School. And I just wanted to share with you a little bit of the journey that our Tech Hub has traveled so far this year. Where we've been, where we're going, and some struggles and successes along the way. Come with us.
Wait! Come closer. 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 Closer.
Closer. Closer. Come on. Oh. Okay. Too close. That's better. Okay. So, shh, I've got a little secret to tell you. Okay. I've never made an iMovie before. I have no idea what I'm doing. And also, don't tell Anna Marie, but I've kind of left this till the last minute. And, well, today's Friday and it's a PA day. And everyone's at school writing report cards. So, everyone's going to be kind of busy. And Monday, okay, don't tell Jay or Troy because they'll totally freak out. But I'm kind of behind in my measurement unit for math, and it's going to be a bit of a cram fest on Monday. Shh, just our secret. So that leaves me with a few hours to get the whole movie done. Well, you know what? That's kind of realistic though, isn't it? Because if I expect my kids to do this, they're going to have to do it on their own. They're going to have to learn it, and they're going to have to be their filmer and editor and everything else. And really, I'm not going to give them days and days. So I guess I'm going to have to figure out how this works. Yeah. Wish me luck. Okay. So initially, the Tech Hub consisted of one person. Me. And that didn't go very well. There's a pretty limited audience for where that can go. So I thought of how we can make a ripple effect happen, at least within our school, if not to other schools, with learning about technology, implementing it with our students, watching them learn, helping us learn, and moving on from there. So the first thing I did was gather a team. And I thought the best way in this really big school that we're at to get at the most people and maximize this ripple effect would be to get someone from every division. Someone that's on the edge of using technology or starting to use it in a way in their classroom that's sort of at a substitution level within the SAMR model, maybe a little bit more, and see if we can use technology in a different way and see if it impacts their students, see if they get excited about it, and then see if we can move that level of technology that they're using up to modification level or the redefinition level of the SAMR model. So that's what my thought processes were. The first thing after that I had to do was figure out, well, what technology do we have? And this is what we've got in our school. Step 2, the super team, as I like to call them, got together and we joined the Collingwood Tech Hub with Troy Komish's group to join in on a big sort of show and share of stuff that's going on to try to get everybody excited about thinking how we could use technology better in our school. Okay, so step 3. After we met as a huge group, we just met for the first time really as our small super team Birchview Tech group. And we sat together that day and developed an inquiry statement based on the needs of our students. What was missing in our classrooms? What was the big why? So the K-8 sort of group synopsis that we came up with was there's really a general lack of motivation or an innate level of inquisitiveness that's noted amongst most of our student cohort. So they're really not that motivated or too inquisitive about things that we're doing currently. The teachers had a big desire to provide a more authentic audience for the students, so that self-directed learning opportunities and alternative methods of presentation for tasks could be assigned to students to do within our classrooms. So that was something that we really wanted to do. And there was also a recognition amongst our group members that we really need to evolve and use technology more effectively and differently in our classrooms, quite frankly, because we can't expect our kids to change if we stay the same. From that big why, we came up with our inquiry focus. And our inquiry focus statement was basically, if we strive to achieve a significant functional change of how we use technology in our classrooms, so for example, incorporate technology in more of the modification and redefinition levels of the SAMR model, then maybe we'll see a dramatic cross-curricular increase in student engagement and performance. So that was our big if and then. Also, we were looking at if we use technology to support student-centered learning and provide the reality of a real, authentic audience, then each student's probably going to have more of a personal stake in their work and will therefore probably strive to achieve at a higher level because it's really become more meaningful to their learning and to their lives. So that was our big goal. Now, each of us took it a separate way. We looked at the technology we've had, what we can actually have access to, and how we can use it in a different way in our classes. So let me take you on a little tour to each of our members of our super team and let them explain to you what they came across on their journey.